Imagine the humble honeybee, a creature of work and nectar. When threatened, it uses its stinger as a last resort. But did you know that this act of defense is often a death sentence for the bee? The honeybee's stinger is barbed, designed with tiny hooks that dig deep into the skin. This makes it nearly impossible to withdraw once lodged. The venom sac attached to the stinger continues to pump venom even after the initial sting, causing further harm to the victim. But for the bee, the cost is greater. As it attempts to break free, the stinger and venom sac are ripped from its body, causing severe damage and ultimately leading to its demise. Contrast this with other stinging insects like wasps, whose smooth stingers allow for repeated attacks without self-harm. Even some bee species, such as bumblebees, escape this fatal consequence with their smooth stingers. So remember, the honeybee's sting is a sacrifice, a one-time use weapon deployed only when the hive is under threat.